Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna go over setting up your AL0 step by step. I have two miners on the network here and I will show you how to find them, how to set them up, because a lot of time there are people just get new. Usually it's very simple process if you've done KS0s, KS0s Ultras and all the other Iceriver miners, so it's very similar process. It's just a different pool, but the pool can be found on your whatever pool you're gonna mine. So in this example I'm gonna use hum pool. There's a few other pools available where you can find them actually at the not miner stats, but at their typically you can find them under mining pool stats here. So if you go and type your coin, in this case lithium, we're gonna go Alph here, we're gonna click on that coin and you're gonna see all the pools that mine in lithium right now. They're at the very end. There's 0 hash rate for all these pools right there. The last 10 pools, that means they're not on, or there's an issue, or there's just no miners there. Anyways, the first up is Ant pool, which is 36%, a little bit insane, but I think it's a little got better because it was over 50% before on Ant pool, I believe. Don't take my word for it, but now with the hum pool coming over and the hero miners actually going down a little bit, DX pool and other pools available. So hum pool is number 3. And it's actually, I have pretty good connection from where I am, so you have to really see which one is the best for you. I'm gonna zoom in here so you could see a little bit there, the stats, how many, what's the hash rate on that pool and stuff on that mining pool stats website. So I use that to find the pool a lot of time, or just the recommended pool. So for my area you also can scan and find the best connection to the pool where you are. So when we on hum pool, you go to dashboard, you click dashboard, you scroll down, and this is 3 of the pools available: US, Europe and Asia. So you select where you are and you can copy it from here. Okay, so now we need to get to the web GUI or the management tool in order to update this pool information. So how do we get this IP address? A lot of time you would, if you know already, you know how to find your new IP on your network, but if you turn it on and were not able to discover it on your for example on your router, does not have capability, so what you could use is the management tool. So Iceriver website, if you go to Iceriver website, and by the way, look at these prices. These prices are old, they haven't refreshed them. So you have 7,000, 39.99, and if you go to the new shop, everything half price right now, crazy sale. Anyways, you go to iceriver.io, all the way down on tutorial, and there on tutorial you have batch processing tool. There is manual, but you download your English. There's English and Chinese, so you download and install the tool. So once you download and install, it's gonna look just like this when you open. So it's gonna look just like this, and I'm gonna zoom in here, and then first you have the option to set up your miner's IP selection. So you go here and you will see they're probably gonna be blank, or you're gonna have one line fill in. All you gotta do, just add, click on this plus, and when you add the next row, see it's keep on adding rows with the different miners. So if you don't have any, you have to add first, or you can delete those extras. So see, like the one selected, I can delete and remove those extras. So if you don't have anything, you can't change, you have to click plus and it will be a row added. You can double click on this row, not double click, but actually do the changes in the row. So you select your stratum of your IP address on the network. So the first 192.168.1, or you can be 10.0.0.2, wherever your network first 3 pairs goes here, and then The last one after that, you don't put dot here, you just put between 1 and 254 if you want an entire network scan, or if you know your available, if you're not sure, just use from 1 to 254 or 255. But if you know that you're going from 100 maybe, then it's going to be a lot faster, because if I'm going to scan the whole network, it will take a few minutes. All right. So after you select, I'm going to give you example, like just let's say here, just these 3 IPs, right? So I'm going to scan these 3 IPs and click OK and start scanning. All right. So it's going to scan quicker if you only selecting several IPs. So once it's done, it's going to show me the miners online on this IP. So I found that AL0 right here. It's currently mining, and I found the 69, that's K0 Ultra, that it's overclocked to 731 gigahash. So there's 2 miners, and it shows the IP for each miner, right? So that's how you find IP on your miner. So once you have this IP, you can click directly here. It will go and actually open for you the browser. Now, when you're in the browser, I already logged in. Before you log in, it will actually give you this message. So let me log out right there. Okay, so you're gonna need the login. So you're gonna go and type admin here, and then for password you do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And you click login, and you will see, you should see this screen right there. All right, from here you go to mining settings. Let me adjust a little bit so we could see what we're doing here. Right there, so you could see the full screen. Okay, in the mining settings, that's where you're gonna change your pool address and your wallet. So the miner AL0 comes with already pre-selected a US stratum here. If you're a different country, you can choose the other one. That's for home pool. For other pools, you have to follow their stratum's instructions, so make sure don't mix them up. If you don't change the pool stratum, but just change only your worker, that's not gonna work, because they have to match. Your worker is from the pool you're mining, right? So now, once I select my pool stratum, I need to go and figure out my actual worker name. So for that, if I go, it's given me the name for the home pool is, when you open account, there is an option there, the open account, or you mine it directly to the directly to your wallet address. Let me see, they have changed that probably, or not. No, you can go directly here and type your wallet address, and you're gonna see your miner. If you only gonna put only your wallet address, you cannot use your account. So there are 2 different options. I already posted a video about that on home pool. If you mine it directly to wallet address, you're gonna click your wallet address, click search, and you're gonna see your miner there. Now, if you use an account setup mining, which is a little bit different, you will be mining to your name right there, like I have DMMM20. So if I need to select that, I can just copy this name. It should show up usually on my dashboard. So I have mining address, my stratum, and yeah, I can probably just copy it, copy that name. There was an option just to copy right away. I don't know where it is. Probably under account settings. Yeah, you go to under account settings, you can copy your mining account. That's your wallet basically for mining account. So after that copy, you can go here and paste it in your worker. So I'll show you, just paste your mining. After that, you can name your miners whatever you want. If you're gonna use only same account, your miner is gonna be all of them. If you use more than one, it will show up like one miner, so you don't want to do that. Like in my case, I use AL0-01 for first one, and then number 2, and so forth if I need to separate them, right? If I'm gonna use same miner name for all 2, it will show double hash rate on one single miner. So it will look like my miner mining double hash rate, which you want to track them separately. So after you do that, you just confirm and click save here, and it's gonna be operation succeed, confirmed, okay, and that's all you need to do. You don't need to do any IP settings for this. Looks like this firmware works okay. There's no issues with the IP configuration, and the miner works right from the factory. Okay, when you go back to home, you will start seeing stats on your miner. So make sure you copy properly your pool address and your wallet worker. What else here? Pretty much it. Yeah, we don't have, do we have firmware upgrade for our miner? So let's look it up. Let's see if firmware, again, on Iceriver.io tutorial, you can have also, beside the batch tool, is your monitor, your, why is it all in Chinese now again? How do I get rid of this stuff? Let's do it again. English. Click in English, nothing happening. That's couldn't translate. What? I just knew. Anyways, I don't see KS. I'm sorry, AL0. Not even here yet. So there is no updates even on AL0 miner. So we don't need to worry about that one yet, I guess. And everything works fine, so there are no issues that I've seen with the AL0 miner. Basically, you've set your pool, you set your wallet address, and that's it. Now, also what's cool about this miner, you have this, if you downloaded Iceriver Monitor tool for your KS0 Ultras, KS0s, and all other ASICs, the latest one I have linked down below from Tswift Telegram channel, so you will be able to download and see all the temperatures of your chips. Actually, it shows up with the voltages now, and the clocks are here, which is cool. You see your fan speeds and all the temperature of the board and everything, that all here as well. So that's, I think it's pretty cool. So now mistakes, possible mistakes for your settings. So typically when you set your stratum, if you didn't copy, you try to type, you may do a lot of mistake. Always copy your pool stratum. Also, make sure when you copy and paste, there is no spaces. Sometimes they will be like that, or will be something else copied and it will not work. So your miner will not start mine. So make sure that whole stratum is there and have stratum plus TCP. On the wallet address, make sure there is dot between your name of the worker. If you don't put dot, or you just put space there or dash or anything else, it will not work. So make sure you're careful with that. As far as password, it doesn't really matter. You can put X here, or 1, 2, 3, or they recommend put test. It doesn't really affect the mining here. Now, what else? Yeah, so those are common mistakes if you put the wrong wallet address or your pool address, and then your miner may not gonna show on the mining screen. So then you go to worker, and after a few minutes, 2-3 minutes, oh, by the way, and you want to restart your miner. After you're done with all that, your settings are good, just click on that blue restart at the very bottom right of your screen, right there. And don't click factory reset, just only restart, so be careful on that. So once you restart, you will be mining to your wallet and your stats will appear. If you don't restart, a lot of time you will continue to mine the old wallet was there, and possibly just gonna mine to Iceriver or Dev's wallet. So make sure you restart and make sure you get your miner here after 5 to 10 minutes, usually gets here after you reboot your miner. So that's pretty much it, I guess. It's pretty simple, but also if there any issue with your browser, you could still use your batch tool. Gonna zoom in here, and I'll show you can upgrade it from here. You can do IP configuration option. That's where you can change your pool stratums here. And and your miner worker names. So you can copy and paste your worker names here, and you can do your basically click and first you need to select your IP, obviously, which miner you're doing. Wait, no, that's not for IP. What do I do in Oh, we need to add here. So yeah, you need to have your IP showing up here in order to update. So we're gonna go back to this management tool, show only connected. Let's restart, reset scan. For some reason they not showed up there, so let's do it one more time. Okay, we have 3 miners there, and this is 67, the one that we need. Okay, so we don't need to change that actually. Can remove that. We just need to change the stratum and the worker name. Next IP, network IP 1, 2. Okay, so I guess we select 67 here. That's our miner. And we could from here apply changes right there, I believe. I haven't done a pool configuration. Actually, I've done it a few times, but not many, usually in the web GUI, but I know you can do from here because I've done it before. I just don't like that it's showing this settings here. It's supposed to show your miner. That's not what it is. I don't think it is. In the upgrade, we could do our firmware upgrade from here. Let's see other basic settings. No, we don't need that. Yeah, so in IP configuration, so that's where you change your pool, and that's what it is. But then it does show the right pool. No, it's solar, so that's for the number. Detect IP, configure. Oh, okay, in configure. I'm sorry, I showed you the wrong click. So here, after you click on this miner, it's selected basically, right? The blue. You can go to config the miner, and that's where you change your worker for that specific miner. Because see, it shows solar, but that's for this, and for that one, you can actually type or copy your worker names, change your pools, and then start the update. So that's how you can update from patch tool. A little bit more confusing because it will copy or remember the previous stuff that you did. So it's kinda could be tricky because once you click, you have to change all your the pool stratums and the worker name, but it will work here if there is an issue with the web GUI. So that's pretty much it for this video. I mean, like, you can do reboots here, you can do the fan speed change right from this also tool. So everything you do on the web GUI, you can have it done here from management tool, which is great. Sometimes your web GUI, for some reason, your browser would glitch or something blocking, especially some browsers blocking some wherever sites, and they think this is like a some type of a phishing website or something like that. So anyways, this will help kind of go through and also have another way to adjust your AL0. So the patch tool is available on Iceriver website. You can download that. Also monitor tool available on the links down below, and you could get your basically miner stats just like I have here on these two guys with all the information, for the temperatures. You have all that goodies here. So anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. Click the like button if you like this video, and consider subscribing to the channel if you like this content. And we'll see you for the next video. Have a good one.